Hey there, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're tackling a common issue, how to fix sticky notes not opening or working in Windows. If your notes are stuck, don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple fixes. Method 1. Repair or reset sticky notes. Step 1. Click on Start and type App Settings in the search bar, then open it to manage your apps. Step 2. Search for sticky notes in the list. Then select it to see available options. Step 3. Scroll down and click Terminate to force close the app if it's frozen. Step 4. Click Repair to fix any corrupted files and wait for the process to finish. Step 5. If the issue persists, click Reset to restore sticky notes to its default state. Step 6. Confirm by clicking Reset again, then check if the app works properly. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall sticky notes. Step 1. In the same App Settings window, click Uninstall to remove sticky notes completely. Step 2. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again, ensuring the app is fully deleted. Step 3. Click Start, type Microsoft Store, and open it to download the app again. Step 4. Search for sticky notes in the store's search bar to find the official app. Step 5. Select sticky notes from the results, then click Install or Get to reinstall it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PCR Detective for more tech fixes.